Hello everyone, today we will going to cover the chapter 5 of Laxmikant Polity through questions and answers. Chapter 5, that is Union and its territory. The slides are prepared by me, Tarun. So let's get started. First question, which article of Indian Constitution deals with Union and its territory? Answer is Article 1 to 4. Article 1 to 4 of Indian Constitutions deals with Union and its territory. Okay. Second question, which part of Indian Constitution deals with Union and its territory? Which part? The part is part 1. Part 1 of Indian Constitution deals with Union and its territory. Okay. Next question, Article 1 describes India as option A India, B Bharat, C India that is Bharat. Correct answer is India that is Bharat. In this case, what happened? Some members of Constituent Assembly suggested India as the name of our country and some other members suggested Bharat. So Constituent Assembly decided to adopt the mixture of both, that is India that is Bharat. India that is Bharat. Okay. Next question. India is a option A Union of State, Federation of State and both A and B. Correct answer is Union of States. India is a Union of State. Next question. Select the proper options. According to Article 1, the territory of India can be classified into. Options are territories of states, union territories and territories that may be acquired by the government of India at any time, any future time, or and option D, territories gifted by foreign states. And option E, A, B and C. Correct answer is option E, that is A, B, C. That is territories of state, union territories and territories that may be acquired by the government of India at any future time. Okay. According to Article 1, the territories of India classified into 3 broad categories. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. The names of states and union territories and their territorial extent are mentioned in which schedules? Option A, first schedule, B, second schedule, C, sixth schedule. Answer is first schedule. In first schedule, the names of states and union territories and their territorial extent are mentioned. Okay. 7. At present, India has how many states and union territories? At present, India has 28 states and 8 union territories. After inactivating Article 370, the union territories became 9. But now, Daman and Diu is merged with Dadra and Nagar Haveli, so it again became 8. Again become 8 union territories. So now there are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Next question. Separate provisions for scheduled areas and tribal areas are mentioned in which schedules? Answer is 5th and 6th schedules. 5th and 6th schedules deals with separate provision for scheduled areas and tribal areas. Okay, respectively. By which article India can admit or establish new state? Answer is Article 2, second article. Next, by which article Parliament can rearrange the existing constituent states or the union territories? Answer is Article 3. Next question, by which article Parliament can increase or decrease the areas of any state? Answer is Article 3. Next, by which article Parliament can alter the name or boundaries of any state? Answer is again Article 3. Next, by which article Parliament can form a new state by separation or by uniting 2 or more states or by uniting any territory to a part of any state? Answer is Article 3 again. Next, by whom prior recommendation Parliament can introduce any change under Article 3? Options are Prime Minister, President, Governor. Option D, Chief Justice of India. Correct answer is President. Okay. By President's prior recommendation, Parliament can introduce any change under Article 3. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next question. 15. Which one is true statement? Option A, President or Parliament is bound to the views of state legislature and can't reject their recommendation. Can't reject their recommendation. Option B, President is not bound to the views of the state legislature and may either accept or reject them. Which one is correct? Correct answer is option B. That is, President is not bound to the views of the state legislature and may either accept or reject them. Next, by which Constitutional Amendment Act Berubari Union was transferred to East Pakistan? East Pakistan, now Bangladesh. Answer is by 9th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1960, Berubari Union was transferred to East Pakistan. Okay. Next question, 17. Which one is true about Supreme Court statement? Supreme Court in 1969 ruled that for boundary dispute between India and any other country does require, it is required constitutional amendment. And next option, Supreme Court in 1969 ruled that for boundary dispute between India and any other country does not require constitutional amendment. Which one is correct? Correct option is option B. That is, Supreme Court does not require any kind of constitutional amendment under Article 368 to resolve any boundary dispute between India and any other country. Next question, by which Constitutional Amendment Act India transferred 111 enclaves to Bangladesh while Bangladesh transferred 51 enclaves to India? Answer is 100th Constitutional Amendment Act of 2015. India transferred 111 enclaves to Bangladesh and Bangladesh transferred 51 enclaves to India. Okay. Next question, India shared longest land boundary with which neighboring country? Answer is Bangladesh. That is 4096.7 kilometer. Okay. Next question, India and East Pakistan land boundary was determined by which award? It should be which award? Okay. It should be award. India and East Pakistan land boundary was determined by which award? It is Radcliffe Award of 1947. Radcliffe Award of 1947. Next, disputes arose due to some provisions of Radcliffe Award were resolved by which award? Answer is Beggy Award. Beggy Award. By Beggy Award, the dispute arose due to some provisions of Radcliffe Award were resolved. Next, how many princely states were there in Indian geographical boundary? There were 552 princely states in Indian geographical boundary. Next, how many princely states joined India? 549 princely states joined India. And next question, which princely states refused to join India? And those were Hyderabad, Junagadh and Jammu and Kashmir. Hyderabad, Junagadh and Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. But later on they also joined India. Hyderabad by police action, Junagadh by referendum and Jammu and Kashmir by instrument of accession. Okay. They joined India. Next question, which commission recommended the reorganization of states on the basis of administrative factor rather than linguistic factor? Answer is Dhar Commission. Dhar Commission. They recommended administrative factor as the basis of reorganization of states rather than linguistic factor. Next, who were the members of JVP committee? The members were Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel and Pattabi Sittarmaiah. They also rejected language as the basis of reorganization of state. They also rejected language as the basis of reorganization of state. Okay. Next question, which state became the first state to be formed on linguistic basis? Answer is Andhra Pradesh in October 1953. October 1953. Next question, which commission accepted language as the basis of reorganization of state but rejected the idea of one language, one state? Very important, Faisal Ali Commission. Faisal Ali Commission. Okay. Next, in which year Maharashtra and Gujarat were formed? Answer is 1960. Maharashtra and Gujarat were formed. Next, in which year Nagaland was formed? Answer is 1963. Nagaland was formed. Next, in which year Haryana, Chandigarh and Himachal Pradesh were formed? And in 1966, Haryana and Chandigarh were formed. And in 1971, Himachal Pradesh was formed? Before 1971, Himachal Pradesh was considered as a union territory. Okay. Next question: Manipur, Tripura, and Meghalaya got statehood in which year? Manipur, Tripura, and Meghalaya got statehood in the year 1972. In 1972, all these three states, that is Manipur, Tripura, and Meghalaya, got statehood. Next, in which year Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, and Goa were formed? The year was 1987. 1987, Goa, Arunachal Pradesh, and Mizoram were formed. Next, Chandigarh, Uttarakhand, and Jharkhand were formed in which year? Answer is 2000. And in 2014, Telangana was formed. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. All of these questions are very important for all the competitive exams. If you like this video, then please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. God bless you all. Thank you.